Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Baking with Me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make an eggless 3 ingredient cookie, and I've made this similar recipe about a year ago. You should check out that recipe. It was amazing and most of you tried it out. I hope you're also going to try out this recipe. So with me here today I have only 4 ingredients, and from here I have 1/3 cup of margarine, I have 2/3 cups of flour, I have my sugar, and the fourth ingredient that I've decided to add today is vanilla essence. You can also use any type of essence that you have, or you can totally decide to leave that out and use only these three. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'll start by beating this for about 30 seconds, then I'll go in with my sugar. And if at all you do not have a beater, you can totally use a wiko or a spoon. You can check out the video that I'm going to link at the end of this. You can learn more. Yeah. I'm just going to go in with a spoon, and our dough is basically ready. So this is the texture that we want. We are now going to start shaping our cookies, and again you'll also need a fork to shape our cookies, and I'll start by making a few balls. And this is how I'm simply going to shape my cookies. Make a small ball, then press it kiasi, and that. So in my other recipe, I showed you how to make these cookies using a sufuria. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make them with an oven. So I'll proceed to bake this at an oven that has been preheating at 180 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. So they've been cooling for about 5 minutes and they are manageable. So I'm going to transfer them onto my rack so that they can cool a little bit faster and they do not set at the bottom. Also, if at all you do not have an oven, you can check the recipe that I'm going to link at this video, and that video simply shows you how to bake some cookies using a gas cooker and a sufuria. I'm here to do the outro, and as you can notice, I've already eaten a few of them. So our cookies are well done, and they are so good. They are so tasty. You can feel the crunch, and as you've seen, they were that easy to prepare, and I hope you learned something new. I also hope you're going to try out this recipe. Check out my other recipe, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.